Good morning, everyone. Happy day after Christmas. And happy pre birthday to me, your girl Tanya from the Hood Table. Yes, my birthday is the 29th, next Tuesday. And we will be live on next Tuesday, turning up for my birthday. But anywho, I just came back, you guys, to show you the end results of the cheesecake that I did live for you guys the other day. I showed you guys how I make my cheesecake. And I was supposed to come back yesterday to decorate it for you guys. But it was so busy on Christmas. It was so busy. I woke up late because I was up all night cooking and baking. And the other day, I showed you guys how I made my frosting for my German chocolate cake with the pecans and coconut. And I also showed you guys how I make my strawberry cheesecake from scratch. And I was supposed to come back yesterday on Christmas to decorate the cheesecake with you guys. But again, I got up late, so it was a late start. I didn't finish dinner till about, I want to say 4. So it was like, I'm sorry, I apologize. But everybody forgot I even made a cheesecake. Ain't that something? Everybody forgot I even made a cheesecake. And so nobody dipped in it, or either some people who came over didn't like cheesecake. So the whole cheesecake is still here in the box. I'm going to eat me a slice later today. My son said he's going to eat him a slice later today, but the whole cheesecake is here. And my other son and his girlfriend and a few other people are supposed to come back over today. So I'm going to make sure I sit the bad boy out so people can partake in it. It looks so good. As you can see, I showed y'all what berries I put on there the other day. I showed you the packs. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Little raspberries. And then I got my strawberry glaze on the top. That is how I always make my cheesecakes. That is the strawberry one. But if somebody was to order like a cherry cheesecake or something else, then of course I wouldn't use strawberries and all that. I would use cherries and things like that. But this is the strawberry cheesecake that I made. I showed you guys how to do it from scratch. It's real easy to make. You see some of the glaze is dripping down to the bottom. This is a 10-inch cheesecake that requires like 4 boxes of cream cheese, flour, sour cream, heavy whipping cream, sugar, vanilla, graham crackers, if you like the graham cracker crust. I have on here some strawberries and some blueberries again and some raspberries. And it's really yummy. I make this all the time. I can make it in my sleep. But I made it for you guys the other day, and again, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, a wonderful experience. I know that is really trying for people right now. It's really trying times for people right now. I know yesterday I was on Deanna Urban's channel, and she said there was 2 car bombings in Nashville, Tennessee yesterday. And I'm like, on Christmas? Now, I haven't checked the news. I saw like on the internet, I saw like articles, but I was looking for some actual news video footage. Deanna showed a little footage on her show. Somebody had recorded on their cell phone. But I was trying to find something on the news last night, and then I ended up going to sleep because again it was a long day for me and I was tired. But I'm like, on Christmas? And so I'm gonna check today to see if it was random or see if it was on purpose for somebody's particular car to get blown up or whatnot. But I'm just like, wow. And then they talking about the vaccine and the Rona numbers going up and talking about they're expecting us to reach 400,000 deaths before the end of the year. So it's just crazy. It's just crazy. In a few more days, it'll be a year. Basically, it'll be a year and a few more days since we first found out about the origin of COVID-19 overseas in China. So it'll be almost a year since the panic first started. Um, so yeah, again, this has been a trying year for a lot of people. A lot of lives lost, a lot of heartache, a lot of pain. So again, I hope that you guys really, really, really enjoyed your holiday. Family, friends. I hope that you made a lot of new memories. I did. I did. I had fun with my kids. They came over. My oldest son, he had told me on Christmas Eve, he said, Mom, I'm going to be over first thing in the morning around 7 o'clock to open my gifts. And I'm like, no, you ain't. Yes, I'll be up, hopefully by that time to start cooking. I actually didn't get up to almost 9, but I was praying he didn't come over that early. And I was like, why are you coming over that early? He said, I just want to pretend like I'm a kid again, and I live at home, and I wake up early in the morning before the sun comes up and open my presents. I was like, boy, you a grown ass man. You better stay your ass home. But they did come over, but it wasn't until about 9:30, 10 o'clock. And they came over and they brought my presents and they opened up their presents. Him and his girlfriend, who is expecting their first baby in May. So I'm looking forward to spending next Christmas with that new baby. But my first G baby. So yeah, we had a really good time here. We didn't have a lot of people come over. It was basically them because I said, I'm gonna be a little bit more strict. I see some of my colors over there. Yes, I am a custom cake decorator, so I have colors for days. That's just a little bit of my favorite colors that I use. But anyway, yes, I am a custom cake decorator, and I was a little more strict this holiday because after last holiday, one of my son's best friends who came over, he got the CV-19. It was a few weeks after they had, after Thanksgiving, so it's not like he got it from us because none of us has had it. But still, I was like, it's just getting closer and closer to home, so I told them no friends for Christmas. It's just going to be us, just a small little gathering. We literally kicked it all day. My son came over early in the morning. His girlfriend's mom had to work, so they didn't cook over there, even though she don't live at home no more. But you know how it is. You come back home on the holidays. You kind of expect holiday food, stuff like that. But her mom, who she said works at the hospital, you know how it is. You work for the hospital. You can be expected sometimes or have to expect sometimes to work on the holidays. So her mother had to be at work. So she was so looking forward to coming over my house because she know I cook and throw down every holiday. So she was over here with us. Her and my son, like all day. They came over early, opened their presents. We exchanged presents. Got some hugs and kisses in and all that kind of stuff. And then they went back home, took a nap, got dressed. She put on her makeup, and they came back over like a couple of hours later once dinner was done. And literally just over here all day. We just having fun, playing around, talking about old stuff, back in the day stories. He was like, Mom, tell her when this happened. Tell her about when I fell out the tree. Tell her about when I almost drowned. Tell her about when he was like, tell her about when I was running and I fell and I tripped over a trash can and I had got a hole in my cheekbone from the corner of a concrete stair that they couldn't even close up because the hole was too big for them to even like put stitches on it. And tell her about, I'm like, listen, then my son says, you know what? I should be dead right now. We was talking about all the stories, about all his injuries. On top of that, he used to have severe allergies. He used to have severe asthma. He used to have seizures. He was a very sick baby. And then on top of that, all the injuries just from being a boy, being wild out there. And he was like, dang, Mom, I should be dead right now. And I said, well, you could have been, but God had other things in store for you. So, I'm very, very thankful to still have my oldest son here. My youngest son is right here with his arms around me and his cheek on my shoulder. Like, Mom, what are you doing? But so I'm very thankful because there was some times where I mean, from the drowning to him could have put his eye out. And he used to wear glasses, so when he had fell and hit his cheek on that concrete stair, it was like not even an inch from his eyeball. The doctor was so lucky he didn't even break his cheekbone or anything like that because he fell really hard. But and falling out the tree and all kind of stuff. So I'm thankful to have him. I'm thankful for my youngest son. And I'm very thankful for the baby that will be here soon for my oldest son. So, again, I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday and made some memories and shared some memories and ate some good food. And even, for some of y'all, I hope some of y'all got what you wanted for Christmas, whether it was to see another day, be around your kids, talk to your grandparents. I know one of my friends, her name is Julie. We call her Juju. She had posted on Facebook the other day that she got the best Christmas present ever. And that was her father. He survived surgery. They removed a cancerous tumor from him. So I was like almost in tears because she was like, that's all I wanted for Christmas. So there is so much to be thankful for, even when it seems like I just want to tap out. Even when you feel like you want to tap out, there's always something to be thankful and grateful for. So on that note, everybody, I'm up here cooking my little breakfast. Y'all want to see what I got going on? I got me a little beef sausage here. I got me a little bacon over here. I got me a little eggs over here. Got me a little cheese over here. Got me a little coffee back there. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy me some breakfast here at home, and I just want to say one more time, happy holidays. I hope everybody enjoyed their holiday and enjoy your weekend. As usual, stay safe, be blessed, remain vigilant, and always keep it hood. I'm out. Bye.